One thing that is found in almost every single first aid kit is aspirin. Aspirin is a common pain reliever. Medical providers call it a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug or an NSAID drug. That is because while being a pain reliever, it also reduces swelling and lowers fevers. Aspirin has many other uses besides using in the medical field. This medication can be used for some skin and hair problems. It can also be used throughout your household. Below you will find a list of 7 uses of aspirin that you didn't even know existed. 1. Treat acne and pimples. We have all had unsightly marks on our face from acne and pimples. It is extremely uncomfortable when we have these on our face, as we do not feel attractive and we feel as though people are staring at us. Well, look no further than aspirin to help. Aspirin has an ingredient called salicylic acid. This chemical helps to clean your pores by removing oil and dead skin cells. It also decreases redness and pain. Once your pores are clean, your face will heal quickly. Here is how to use aspirin to treat unsightly acne and pimples. Crush 2 or 3 aspirin tablets and mix them with a little lemon juice or just plain water to form a paste. Apply it to the acne or pimples. Leave it on for a few minutes before washing off thoroughly. Repeat once daily. 2. Keep dandruff at bay. Dandruff is a common problem that affects many people. You may not have guessed that aspirin can help clear up your dandruff. But guess what? It can. Again, that salicylic acid that works on your pores can also clean your scalp by removing dry skin. Once your scalp is clear from dry and dead skin, the remaining flakes will be washed away during your next shampooing. Here is how to get a clean head of hair free from dandruff flakes. Crush 2 or 3 aspirins into a fine powder and mix with a blob of shampoo. Wash your hair with the mixture, massaging it onto your scalp. Leave in for 5 minutes. Rinse and wash your hair again with a mild shampoo. Repeat 1 or 2 times per week. Another way to accomplish this is dissolve the 2 aspirins in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Massage the mixture into your scalp. Leave it in for 30 minutes. Wash your hair thoroughly. Use this dandruff treatment a couple of times per week. 3. Relieve mosquito and insect bites. If you get bit by a mosquito or any other insect, it can be highly uncomfortable and even painful. Aspirin can help. Not only can aspirin stop the pain that you experience, but it can also control the swelling from the insect bite. Sometimes insect and mosquito bites can cause redness, itchiness, and burning, all of which can be kept at bay by aspirin. Next time you are bit by a mosquito or any other insect, try this. Grind a few aspirins into a fine powder. Add a few drops of water to make a paste. Apply the paste to the affected area and leave it on for a few hours. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. For minor bites, wet the affected skin and rub an aspirin over the bite. This is extremely important. If you believe that the bite is from a poisonous bug or insect, consult a doctor or go to the hospital immediately. 4. Treat ingrown hairs. Ingrown hairs can create quite a bit of pain and discomfort. An ingrown hair is a hair follicle that is trapped underneath your skin. Unbelievably, you can treat this with aspirin. The chemical, salicylic acid, removes dead skin from the affected area and can loosen the hair follicle that is trapped under your skin. The aspirin also reduces the swelling and redness, as well as the pain that is associated with an ingrown hair. In the event of a minor infection, aspirin can treat this by killing germs and cleaning the area. Here is how to get that annoying ingrown hair and keep symptoms at bay. Dissolve 2 or 3 aspirin tablets in 1 teaspoon of warm water until it forms a paste-like consistency. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to the paste. Apply the paste to the affected area. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and gently pat the skin dry. 5. Reduce keloids. Aspirin can also make keloids smaller and fade scars caused by keloids. Again, the salicylic acid helps with this. The acid works to break down the extra keratin protein that is contained on the skin. Please be aware that this method works best on keloids that are newly formed. Dissolve 4 aspirin tablets in a little lemon juice to get a paste. Apply it on the affected area. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes until the paste dries completely. Wash it off and apply a little olive oil to soothe and moisturize the skin. Do this twice daily for a few weeks. Older keloids are more difficult to treat and may require a doctor's advice. 6. Remove calluses from feet. Aspirin can also make calluses and corns on your feet softer. Aspirin is an exfoliant. That means that it can get rid of any dead skin cells on your body. When your skin is exfoliated, you are left with smooth skin. Having smooth skin reduces your chances of having calluses and corns. Here's how to treat your calluses and corns. Prepare a solution with 3 crushed aspirin tablets, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of water. Heat a piece of cloth in a microwave and soak it in the prepared solution. Place it on the affected area. After 10 minutes, rub a pumice stone all over your feet. Repeat the process once daily for a few days until your calluses become super soft. 7. Treat bee and yellow jacket stings. The next time that you or a loved one is stung by a bee or a yellow jacket, look no further than aspirin. The ingredients in aspirin help to attack the venom that came from the sting. Because of this, recovery from the sting is quicker. Aspirin also can control the swelling and pain that are caused by a bee or yellow jacket sting. Here's what to do. Take 2 or 3 aspirins, add a few drops of water to dissolve the tablets and form a thin paste. Apply it on the affected area and allow it to dry on its own. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Repeat as needed. It is important to understand that this remedy will not work on someone who is allergic to bee stings. In that situation, you should obtain medical treatment immediately. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.